Good morning, guys. Hope everyone's having a nice week. This is our second video of the fourth week of distance learning. Last week we did D and E in lesson 10. Today, I think just based on the way the rest of the lesson 10 goes and the way we usually do it, I think I'm going to review and reinforce activity E to make sure we have these words and we have these rules. So today we'll review E and we'll do F, and then we'll move on from there next week. So activity E, please look at page 41. Excuse me. So each part of a word. Okay, so here we want. So each one of those parts has how many vowel sounds? Every one of these parts, every one of these syllables has one sound. Okay, so this first one, we have, remember, this is our rule this time. EA equals either long E or it equals a, that should be a long E, I apologize. It equals a long E or a short E. So this one, we always try this one first. This one is our go-to first. So for this one, we go T-E-M-8. Okay. Okay, we should be here. Okay. This one, steed fast. That doesn't sound right to me. So we go fast. Steadfast is the word. Okay. That E is going to make the I say its name. Okay. Wide spread. Huh. I haven't heard of that before. So let's try the short A. Widespread. Okay. Let's try line 2. And of course, you should be saying these out loud before I say them. Taking honest inventory on whether you're reading them correctly or not. If you're not, trying to see why maybe you're not. Because this is only meant to benefit you, so you should really try to do it the correct way. Seaboard. Okay. Farmstead. Farmstead. That sounds better. Farmstead. So this one equals the short E. North, east, earn. North, east, earn. Northeastern. Remember, each one of these loops is going to have a vowel in it. At least one vowel. Okay? Remember this OW? We're going to try that long O first. Mead O? Med O. Short E. Meadow. Okay? Peace time. Peacetime. Read ship. Readership. Yeah. About line 4. Deed. Lock. Deed lock. Okay, let's see if the short E sounds better. Deadlock. Deadlock. Yeah. Deadlock is like a tie. Spear heed. No, spear sounds right, but I don't know about that second part. How about spearhead? Spearhead. That sounds a little bit better to me. Downstream. Ow. That's short OW. Stream. Downstream. And lastly, 5. Headlong. Headlong. And hopefully those two are both sight words at this point for you, head and long. Meanwhile. Long E, meanwhile. And lastly, mainstream. AI is going to give you A, long A. Street EA is going to give you long E. So that's 2 long vowel sounds there. All right, guys. Hopefully that went well the second time. Hopefully this is getting easier. And hopefully you're continuing to see that your reading skills are improving. I know this is a little different. And I also hope that you're trying your best at home. I know this is difficult. I know it's there might be no one watching you. But again, these are important skills. I hope you continue to develop them. Activity F, oral activity, correcting close approximations using context. So our objective is to correct the pronunciation of orally presented words that are intentionally mispronounced. My favorite one. Okay? Listen. I read the word comparison. Change to make the word make sense in this sentence. We did a comparison for 2 cars and found they were exactly the same. What should the word be? And you should have said comparison. When something is really interesting, we say that it is fascinating. Fascinating. What word should you have said? Fascinating. The doctor prescribed medicine for the sick child. Medicine. Obviously, you should have said medicine. And second to last, jumping off high places can be dangerous. Dangerous. Jumping off high places can be dangerous. And the correct word is dangerous. Okay? That one they gave you Just for an example, they give you dangerous. They said it as if it was a short A, Dan, when it's Dane. Okay, that's kind of just what they're doing here. And last one, please communicate with me by phone or email. Please communicate with me by phone or email. And the correct word is communicate. That's it for this week, guys. I hope you're having a nice week. And I will see you next week. Please reach out if you have any questions.